Here, Ming. This is our grilled chicken. See, mixed with some grilled beef. Oh. Enjoy the food, okay? Just enjoy the food. Don't fight. Don't quarrel. Oh. Ming. Wow, you are growing. Before you are only 4, 5, now how many?